Okay, so quick cold day repair. Of course, it's like minus 25 this morning. When it first happened, it was minus 30. My blower fan here, this is the factory one. It's like super stiff. Turn the power, it won't even turn this thing anymore, so it is garbage. I got fortunate enough, this is a twist and lock one that comes out, and then had this little nubby thing here that went into the side of the blower fan motor right there to cool it. To remove that, was it that piece? Yeah, that piece. It is a, that's not going to focus on it, but it's a 5.5 mil, and the main cover bolts are 7 mil. There's only two of them, one there and one there, and then just I pulled the plug off after the fact. Yeah, and it gets fed back up into there, twists and locks into place. Easy enough. I got my new replacement one right here. Spins really nice compared to that one. So yeah, the only differences between this one and the old one are this thing has a direct venting for cooling the motor built into it, and the plug is a slight bit different than the original factory. There's some slots in there, but it's all the correct stuff and bolts in as needed. So I'm going to hook it up, and then hopefully we have fans, because I'm tired of driving around freezing. Okay, so it's all installed now. Everything's back together as it was. Should be able to hear that. Heat coming out of there now. This thing at a higher speed than this, but whatever. It was easy enough to do, even though I did it outside. A cold day. Actually warmed up now from this morning. It's only minus 12, but still. Did it outside.